Hello guys, today I'll be doing a review on Leonardo.AI and I'll be going through its strengths and weaknesses and what should it to know whether or not this AI image generator is worth it for you. Leonardo.AI is a comprehensive AI-powered platform for generating high-quality images, art, and even short animations from text prompts. It has quickly become a strong competitor to other leading AI art generators like Midjourney. Leonardo.AI offers a wide range of features, including a large catalog of pre-trained AI models optimized for different art styles, the ability to train your own custom AI models, image-to-image generation, in-painting, out-painting, upscaling, and a real-time canvas for interactive creation. It is praised for its high image quality, speed, and overall versatility, aiming to provide granular control over the output. However, Leonardo AI does have some weaknesses. While it offers a vast array of tools, some users find the sheer number of options and settings to be overwhelming for beginners, requiring a bit of a learning curve. The real-time canvas and in-painting tools, while powerful, can sometimes be less intuitive than expected and might require consulting help guides. Additionally, while the image quality is generally excellent, results can sometimes be inconsistent, and the video animation feature, while present, is still relatively basic compared to dedicated AI video generators. The free plan offers daily token, but has limitations and full functionality is behind paid tiers. Leonardo AI is ideally suited for digital artists, graphic designers, game developers, marketers, and creative enthusiasts who want to leverage AI to generate high-quality visual assets. It's particularly strong for those who want fine-grained control over their AI art generation, the ability to train custom models for specific styles or brand identities, and who appreciate a feature-rich platform for rapid ideation and production of diverse visual content. I hope this video helps and thank you for watching.